I'm currently sitting on my bedroom floor and I'm packing for my travels, so I thought we could do it together. I'm leaving to go backpacking around Southeast Asia tomorrow. I'm so excited and I'm just doing my final bits of packing now. Anyways, this is everything I'm taking and yeah, let's pack. Okay, so starting off with my smaller backpack, my hand luggage. Got a cable lock on there, got a hand sanitizer, got another hand sanitizer, I can never have too much. This is the Osprey 15 litre day pack and it attaches to the Fairview or Farpoint backpacks, which is really handy. And in here I am packing a compressible lunchbox. It does take up a bit of space, but I feel like I will need a lunchbox at some point. It compresses down and there's a little fork, knife and spoon device in there as well. This is a bamboo toothbrush in a little holder so that the bristles don't come into contact with anything else. Super cute, got this off Amazon. A journal, a brand new one, I'm gonna start it on my travels. My documents folder, this is just like my vaccine record, my ID and like photocopies of my ID and passport and all of that. Stuff for visas. This is my little pouch of my EpiPens. Gotta have my EpiPens in case I have an allergic reaction, which touch wood doesn't happen. My Kindle, my electronics organizer. This was such a good buy. I've got like all different cables that I might need, big power bank. I still need to put in my phone charger and a few more little bits that are gonna go in there, and then this is all gonna go in my hand luggage. This is like a little emergency pack kit. I don't even know what's in this, to be fair. That's a condom. 2016? I got this at Reading Festival and never used it, but okay, we've got hand wipes, tissues, a little mini waterproof like emergency poncho thing. I don't know, might come in handy. If it doesn't, I'm gonna leave it in a random hostel, but it's only little, so might as well bring it. I'm taking Imodium, ibuprofen and paracetamol. This is a little portable hairbrush and it's got a mirror on the other side. Next I've got some carabiners that may come in handy, so I'm bringing them. I know it's weird to put that in my hand luggage, but it's because my main luggage is like, I'm tight on space. These are reusable cotton pads, travel adapter. This is so good because it adapts from any country to any country. Really good, really handy. My purse. This is my little portable jewelry bag. Got earrings in there, rings, hair ties, bracelets, hair clips as well. Nice and compact. That goes in the hand luggage too. Okay, also I'm taking all of these protein bars. I'm just gonna have to like squeeze them in any little spare space I have. Tripod. This is a big one, but it's a lot smaller compared to other toiletry bags that I've seen people taking. This is just all my toiletries in this section, and then in there is my makeup, and I'm barely taking any makeup. Literally like mascara, eyeliner, and like lipstick, lip gloss. That takes up a lot of space. Sunglasses. Also taking some more snacks. Can never have too many snacks. And that is it for my day pack. Bum bag. I might rejig some things around, but this is just what I've packed things into for now. Got a pen, a lip balm, a little body spray, an eye mask, my passport. I got this little organizer from TK Maxx. Compression socks for the flight. I'm also going to put this Vaseline in there because I need more Vaseline always. More snacks and also my pill. Now for this ginormous thing, this is the 55 litre Fairview, Osprey Fairview. I'm not going to take this out, but in this little zip bit I've got my supply of pills. In here, pads and tampons, menstrual cup, an emergency rain poncho. And then I don't want to take them out fully because it took me a while to squish them all in here, but I've got 3 packing cubes on the bottom and then 2 on the top on a second layer, and then I kind of squish everything else in this little bit. More toiletries. This is just like shampoo, conditioner, bathroom stuff. A mesh laundry bag. I don't know if I'll use it, but tote bag, shampoo bar, protein bars, even more. Oh, and in the packing cubes I've got 20 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, 10 tops, 5 bottoms, 4 little cardigan shrug things, 2 towels. That reminds me, I actually do need to reorganise. These are compression packing cubes, so they squish everything down so much, which is so handy. Who knew packing was such a workout? Get it all in. I just need to zip it up. Actually, I still need to pack my sandals in there, but I'll do that in the morning, I think. I'll probably have to repack everything in the morning anyways. I did it. Okay, it actually zipped up pretty easily. Like, there is still some space. This, do you know what? Packing will be a learning curve. I'm sure I will get better at it as I go along my journey, but this will do for now. And we still got a little bit of space. So yeah, that's everything I'm packing. Bit of a random video, but it will also serve as a reminder when it comes to me returning home. I can watch this and be like, oh, do I have everything? Yeah, okay. Goodbye. See you in Thailand.